Hey, good afternoon, guys. So in this tutorial, I am going to tell you how to send message from one queue manager to another queue manager in one specified queue. For example, from this queue to this queue. Okay. So first of all, I am going to create queue names. Okay. So let us first create the queue names. So this is a blank. You can see only backout queue, and here it is only queue dot backout. Okay. So now I am going to create a new queue. First, I will create uh, one one transmission queue. Okay. So I will create queue dot trans. Okay. So name is not mandatory. You can give any name. Choose it persistent, and here you can choose this transmission. So now this transmission queue is created. Okay. Now again I want to create a remote queue. Remote queue definition. I will provide the message to be sent to a remote queue manager. So in our case, the remote queue manager is QM5. So I will write. I will give the name as queue dot remote. Remote. Okay. Remote. Yeah. So whenever I click on next, you can see I can give here q dot receiver. I will make this queue over here. For now, I am keeping it like that. QM5 is the my remote queue manager, and you can I will select that q dot trans uh, mission queue here, and you can now we are done. Now here I will create one queue which is named as q dot receiver. Yeah, q dot receiver. Make sure the spelling is correct. Okay, nothing to be worried about. Just persistent, and yes, it got created. Now, what my next step is to create the channel. So I click on new sender channel. Okay, I'll give a unique name so that q dot one way. So any name you can give. I have given my name as Q one way. Okay. Now here I'll provide the uh, connection name. Connection name in the sense IP address and port. Okay. So this is the format of IP address and port. Localhost in braces give 1416. Okay. Select here the transmission queue name over here. That's it, and we are good to go. Let's finish it. So before starting, keep it in. Before starting, create one more. Here you have to create one receiver channel with the same name, whatever name you have created the sender channel. Here itself, you have to create the same using same name. Okay. So I have created. Now I will start the channel. Okay. So it is up and running. You can check that over here. Both the if you start one, both will run. Okay. Both will start running. Now you can send the message. You have to test the message from here. Just send some data like Arif, my name, and I just sent it. You can see that message is populated over here. I am going to browse this message. Okay, so you can see that my message has come. So this was one-way communication, guys. For two-way communication, same, vice versa. Okay. So for two-way communication, same thing will be done. So here I will create one uh, transmission queue again. Okay. Uh, q dot um5 dot trans. Okay. So this is the name I will give for this queue. Okay. Here it is transmission queue. So this will become sender and this will become receiver. So again, I will create one more remote queue definition. So q dot qm5 dot remote. Okay, guys. Now, just give the name over here like q dot qm4 dot receiver. Okay, remote queue name. Here you can give the queue manager name QM4. So QM4 queue manager is going to receive that. So I will select the transmission queue over here. The same process, the vice versa thing. And here again I have to create one channel, which should be called sender channel. Okay. So I will queue dot yeah, queue two way. Just you can give any name. Queue two way I have given. So the IP of that is one local host, since the queue manager is in my machine only. Okay, and 1415. The port number is 1415. So I will check the port number after finishing it. So you can check the port number over here. Uh, so what is the port number? You can go to properties and go to TCP. Okay, you can check the port number over here, or you can click on listeners. You can check the port number over here. And here I am going to create a receiver channel with the same name, whatever I have given. So q.2way is the channel name which I have created for sender. Again, again I will send the data from here to. So in that I will one message. Okay, for example, Jamil, and I will get the message over here. Okay, here I have not created one queue. So what was the name? You can check the name over here. Q.receiver. I will just edit that. This name qm4 dot receiver. Okay, so I will just copy it and I will create it over here. New local queue. Okay, that's it. It's a local queue only. Uh, okay, I have not started the channel. So once it is started, yeah, once it is started, the message will reach over here. So you can see that message has reached its destination, which is so this is how the one-way and two-way communication works. Okay, let us verify if the message is correct or not. Browse message, and you can see that Jamil is there. Okay, so thank you guys. This is my video on two-way and one-way queue manager communication. Next part, I'm going to show you with command line. Okay, these things, but in a command line, or I will share the uh, command in the in the description. Okay, thank you.